The rise of casual cool, why mixing styles works. Men's style is changing, and it's changing fast. Gone are the days of stiff formality where men were confined to rigid suits and ties. Today it's about comfort and individuality. Men are embracing a more relaxed approach to fashion. We see this trend everywhere, from the streets of New York to the alleys of Tokyo. Men are mixing athletic wear with tailored pieces, creating a unique blend of style and comfort. Think joggers with blazers or hoodies under overcoats. These combinations are redefining what it means to be stylish. This shift reflects a larger cultural change. We live fast-paced lives, and our clothing needs to keep up. We value comfort and practicality more than ever before, but we still want to look sharp and presentable. Mixing athletic and formal wear meets these needs perfectly, offering a balance between style and ease. It's about looking put together without being stuffy or overly formal. This trend isn't just for the young and trendy. It's being embraced by men of all ages. Men of all ages and backgrounds are embracing it. It's a versatile style that transcends age and culture. It can be dressed up or down, making it suitable for various occasions. The key is to find the balance that works for you. Experiment, mix, and match until you discover your unique style.
The beauty of this style lies in its versatility. You can easily transition from a day at the office to an evening event. Start with a classic base. A well-tailored blazer or a crisp button-down shirt is key. Then incorporate athletic elements. Consider a pair of slim-fit joggers or sleek sneakers. The contrast creates a modern, stylish look. This blend is perfect for the modern man. It allows you to express your personal style while staying comfortable. Remember, fit is crucial. Avoid overly baggy or loose-fitting athletic wear. Choose pieces that flatter your body shape. Pay attention to detail. Small touches can elevate your look.
Let's start with a casual look. A pair of dark wash jeans is a versatile starting point. Pair them with a plain white t-shirt. Add a bomber jacket for a touch of streetwear style. For footwear, opt for classic sneakers. White or black are always safe bets. Now, let's elevate the look for a more formal setting. Swap the jeans for tailored trousers. Keep the t-shirt, but add a blazer. Choose a blazer in a solid color like navy or gray. The sneakers can work here too. Just make sure they're clean and in good condition.
Footwear plays a crucial role in this trend. Sneakers are no longer confined to the gym. They've become a staple in men's fashion, from minimalist white sneakers to bold statement designs. The key is choosing sneakers that complement your outfit. Look for clean lines and high-quality materials. Leather or suede sneakers can elevate your look. Now, let's talk about dress shoes. Don't shy away from them. A sleek pair of loafers or brogues can add a touch of sophistication to an otherwise casual outfit. Experiment with different styles. Try Chelsea boots for a more rugged yet refined look.
Crowning glory hats is the finishing touch. Hats are the perfect accessory to complete your blended style. They add personality and flair. For a casual look, consider a baseball cap. Choose a solid color or a minimalist design. A beanie is another great option for colder days. It adds a touch of urban cool. For more formal occasions, a fedora or a trilby hat can elevate your outfit. Opt for classic materials like felt or wool. When choosing a hat, consider your face shape and your personal style. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you.
The art of accessorizing, elevating your hybrid style. Accessories are the unsung heroes of any outfit, the final touches that can transform a good look into a great one. Accessories are the finishing touches that bring your outfit together. They can elevate your style and showcase your personality. Start with a watch. They create a classic aesthetic and showcase your impeccable taste. A well-chosen timepiece is more than just a tool for telling time. It's a statement of elegance and sophistication. A classic timepiece adds refinement. Whether you prefer a vintage look or a modern design, a watch can be the centerpiece of your accessory game. Consider a leather strap or a minimalist metal design. Next, add a belt. A belt is not just functional. It can also be a stylish addition to your ensemble. A leather belt with a simple buckle complements both formal and casual looks. It's a versatile piece that can tie your outfit together seamlessly. Choose a color that matches your shoes or your jacket. This small detail can make a big difference in creating a cohesive look. Sunglasses are essential for sunny days. They protect your eyes and add an element of mystery and style to your appearance. Aviators or wayfarers are timeless choices. These classic styles have stood the test of time and can suit almost any face shape. Experiment with different frame styles to find what suits your face shape. Don't be afraid to try something new. The right pair of sunglasses can elevate your entire look. Finally, don't underestimate the power of a good bag. A stylish bag is not only practical, but also adds a touch of sophistication to your outfit. Whether it's a leather briefcase for work or a casual tote for weekends, the right bag can complete your look.
Confidence is key. Owning your unique look. The most important element of any style is confidence. When you feel good in what you're wearing, it shows. Embrace your personal style. Don't be afraid to experiment and mix things up. Start with pieces you love and feel comfortable in. Gradually incorporate new elements into your wardrobe. Pay attention to fit and proportion. Make sure your clothes flatter your body type. Don't be afraid to ask for advice. Consult a stylist or a trusted friend for feedback on your outfits. Most importantly, have fun with fashion. It's a form of self-expression. Style icons. Men who rock the blend. Many style icons effortlessly blend athletic and formal wear. David Beckham is a prime example. He seamlessly transitions from sportswear to tailored suits. Pharrell Williams is another trendsetter. He's known for his bold use of color and his ability to mix high-end fashion with streetwear. Ryan Reynolds often rocks a casual yet polished look. Think tailored trousers with a t-shirt and a bomber jacket. These men show that style is about individuality and pushing boundaries. They inspire us to experiment and create our own unique looks. Cultural crossroads, global influences on men's fashion. Men's fashion is becoming increasingly globalized. We see influences from different cultures merging and shaping trends. Japanese streetwear, with its focus on clean lines and technical fabrics, has had a major impact. Scandinavian minimalism, with its emphasis on functionality and simplicity, is another key influence. Italian tailoring, known for its impeccable craftsmanship and attention to detail, continues to inspire. These global influences offer a wealth of inspiration. They encourage us to embrace diversity and incorporate elements from different cultures into our own personal style. Breaking the mold, challenging traditional fashion norms. Mixing athletic and formal wear is about more than just clothes. It's about challenging traditional notions of style. It's about reintroducing classic styles with a contemporary edge, expressing one's personal taste. In the past, men's fashion was often restrictive. There were strict rules about what was considered stylish and even appropriate. Today, those rules are being rewritten. Men are embracing comfort with traditional and classic attire and styles that expresses individuality. This shift is empowering. It allows men to define their own style on their own terms. The future of fashion, embracing individuality and comfort. The future of men's fashion is all about embracing individuality and prioritizing comfort. As we move forward, the emphasis will be on creating styles that allow men to express their unique personalities while feeling at ease in their clothing. We'll continue to see a blurring of lines between different styles, with traditional boundaries becoming less defined. This means more freedom to mix and match, creating looks that are both innovative and personal. Athletic wear will become even more integrated into everyday wardrobes, not just for workouts but as a staple in daily fashion. The rise of athleisure reflects a desire for functionality without sacrificing style. Technology will play a bigger role in fashion, with smart clothing and high-tech fabrics becoming more prevalent. These innovations will offer new ways to enhance comfort, performance, and even health. We'll see more performance fabrics and innovative designs that push the boundaries of what clothing can do. These advancements will make fashion not only more comfortable, but also more versatile and durable. Sustainability will also be a key factor in the future of fashion. As awareness of environmental issues grows, more men are seeking out eco-friendly options and brands that prioritize sustainability. Men are becoming more conscious of the environmental impact of their clothing choices. This shift is driving demand for sustainable materials and ethical production practices, making it easier to find stylish, eco-friendly options. The most important thing is to stay true to yourself. Fashion is a powerful form of self-expression, And the best way to stand out is to embrace what makes you unique. Experiment, have fun, and embrace the freedom to express your unique style. Don't be afraid to try new things and step outside your comfort zone. After all, fashion is a reflection of who we are. It's about feeling confident and comfortable in your own skin and letting your clothing tell your story to the world.
Max power, I'm about to go bigger and better. If I ever lose, set it on faster than ever. If I ever lose, set it on bigger and better. Hitting all of those I can. Bigger, bolder, faster. I'm going to the maximum. I'm going to the maximum. I'm going to the maximum. I'm bigger, bolder, faster. I'm going to the maximum. I'm going to the maximum. I'm going to the maximum. I'm bigger, bolder, faster. This you let it go, you can let it go. This you let it go, I can let it go. You think I'm too much, because I'm too much. Don't you gotta go.